All right, hey everybody, welcome to Archangel Defense. Today, as we said, we're going to be doing a little bit more of this air fryer to see what it's all about and see if it lives up to its name. So we just cooked these fries right now. We just cut them up from potatoes, put some seasoning on them, and came out pretty good and everything. Here, give it a try.
All right.
Tell me what you think.
It's good.
Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to really try out is these jalapeno poppers. As you can see, we went ahead and just cut open a simple jalapeno and come over here and we'll just go ahead and gut out the jalapeno. I haven't quite mastered this technique yet, but I'm sure it will get faster as time goes along. Clear the seeds out. Maybe leave a couple in there if you want them a little spicy twang to it, you know. But you just go ahead, you hollow them out. Go ahead and rinse them down. And then what you're going to do is just scoop some of this stuff into a regular thing. And then you're just going to close it up. Take drink, always take drink. Okay. By the way, I want to mention, take this a good opportunity, never mix your firearms with alcohol. If you are going to drink, put the guns away and leave them away for the whole night. Guns and alcohol are an explosive combination, pun intended. Okay, so anyway, we're going to get back. So you just basically close this up, come over to America's favorite dish, bacon. Grab it up there and just wrap it around. You could use 1 or 2 slices, whatever you depend on. I think 2 is a little bit too much, but there you go. You'll wrap it up. Okay, so we went ahead. We're going to go ahead and put them in here. Now you could take whatever spices you want. I like to use some of this Tony Crutch's Creole seasoning. Adds a little bit of spice, and just go ahead and liberally put it on there. Apply it liberally, and you could add whatever, pepper, whatever. Go ahead and just stick it in there. And as you can see, it has predetermined settings. So we go to bacon, and there we go. We're going to fire it up, and we'll be back in, as it says, 12 minutes to see what our finished product is. So I'll see you back then. Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so actually we tried it for the 12 minutes, but the 12 minutes kind of left it a little bit, I don't know, I don't like it that undone. I like my bacon crispy, and so I set it for 12 more minutes, so that would be an actual about 24 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and check it out. First, always take drink. I've actually had a couple of those since. So, all right. The reveal. So this was 2 settings later for a total of 24 minutes, and and that is the finished product. It's not pretty, but boy, it looks good. And so that's pretty much the product. Let me try it out. Ooh, it's hot. So, okay, we'll take them out. We'll let them cool down a little bit, and then we'll give you the final thumbs up on what we think of this as soon as we come back. All right. So here we have Gabriel.
Mm-hmm.
How does it taste?
It tastes good. I've only tasted one in my life, and this is good.
So you know if your kids like it, you know it's a score. So again, this is from Archangel Defense. We're signing out. Always stay safe. Take drink. And we'll see you back for the next air fryer cooking session. Bye.